In 1863, Garden of Rizvan, along the Tigris Sea, declared Baha'u'llah to be the promised one, the greatest name of God, rays of the blessed sun, left mankind in all, oppressed for 40 years, exiled from land to land, a flood of mournful tears, now overflowed Baghdad, for all who crossed his path. People of every rank, of every age and class, had begged him to remain. Day one, Rizvan, Baha'u'llah made known that he is the promised one. Day 9, in time, Baha'u'llah with his family could at last reunite. Day 12, overwhelmed with grief for visitors who would have to bid farewells. Then came the final day, sorrow filled the air as their beloved rode away. For principles of love, unity of man, oneness of God above, peace across the land, Baha'u'llah had to bear injustice for so long, though shackles of despair could never hurt Baha. Flowed verses so divine from his pen of gold, revealed to us God's signs, what a sight to behold. The greatest gift of all, the king of festivals, we celebrate his call, praise to Baha'u'llah. Day 1, Rizvan, Baha'u'llah made known that he is the promised one. Day 9, in time, Baha'u'llah with his family could at last reunite. Day 12, overwhelmed with grief for visitors who would have to bid farewells. Then came the final day, sorrow filled the air as their beloved rode away. In 1863, Garden of Rizvan, along the Tigris Sea, declared Baha'u'llah to be the promised one, the greatest name of God, rays of the blessed sun, left mankind in awe.